What's up, everybody? StevoFS here. How are y'all doing today? I'm doing fantastic. Thank you very much for asking. Really appreciate it. Hi, old people. Ride around in your golf cart. Well, back at Cedar Key, and it's the airport, and there's a fence that got destroyed by the hurricane. Not Matthew, but the one before that. And I recorded coming over here, but of course, the fucking shit didn't. It said failed. Slow memory card or some shit like that. Oh, I hate this shit. That's pretty, ain't it, guys? That's pretty. But yeah, so it said it failed, and I lost all that footage that I had. And there's a bump. Oh. Yeah, so here I am recording again. But here are two of my friends. Guy behind me got himself a bike. It's a 85 Honda something or another. I don't know what it is, but it's a bike. I think he wants to try to turn it into a cafe racer or whatever those things are called. Should be pretty cool. Sucks that I lost all that footage coming over here. That is a bummer. I gotta try to remember what I said. Yeah, these roads are kind of messed up because of hurricanes, gravel everywhere. I do not like that shit. Waterfront, yeah, because it's usually underwater. It's definitely waterfront. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. Kind. I think I need to clean my helmet. My head is all itchy. It's probably a good sign of hey dude, clean your helmet. Don't like the dirt. Went up the lid a little bit. We get a little warm in there. See if we can get home before it gets too dark. Scooter time. Scooter, scooter, scooter time.